See what is f string in Python? F string is nothing but whenever you are displaying the information, we can format the string before printing. See, for example, if there are two variables, a and b values, if you want to print a value and b value, suppose in two lines, my output should come like this. A value equals to 10, b value equals to 20. Generally, how we define means what? Print a value, comma, the value of a, comma, next sending the control to next line. In the next line is a b value, comma, that b we are printing. Then it will display that value, display the output in this format. Instead of that simply print, we represent like this. F, then double quotes starts, a value equals to the value you can represent like this. Slash n will send the control to next line. In the next line, b value equals to that b. With a single string, everything you can represent. And the values what you are going to display in the middle, you need to represent with the curly braces. This is the simple way of formatting the string before output the information to the end user. So that is what f string in Python.